Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to make dual apps on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, dual apps, also known as dual space or second space, that allows Android user to create duplicate instance of an application on the same device and enabling them to run two different accounts or versions of the same apps simultaneously. And how to make dual apps is very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down and go to advanced feature. And then after that now you can scroll down and go to dual messenger, and then after that now you can activate the dual messenger of WhatsApp, and then click install, click confirm, and then the new apps will install it to your cell phone. Alright guys, here's the tutorial of how to create dual apps on your phone, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.